Hello guys, thought I'd make a little unboxing video for you. It has finally arrived. Oh man, this thing is just, I'm so excited. I'm coming from a 1080, so this is going to be a pretty serious upgrade. Huge thanks to PLE for getting it out as quick as they got it. I don't even know if they handled it. I know they put a unicorn piece of paper in there, which was quite funny. I'm doing this at the motorsport wiring bench. There for now. Oh boy. That is one chunky boy. Let's get that. And there we have it. The EVGA RTX 3080 for the Win 3 Ultra. I know people said this is a bit of an ugly card, but actually holding it here now, it's pretty gorgeous. So you can actually see, I think EVGA did change the cap design there after the whole controversy. Is that focused? Yeah, it is. Okay, cool. The coolest game, and because I like you guys, we're gonna do it. We're gonna peel it. It's gonna be the optimal place to peel it from. Sorry if it's a bit shaky. I'm sure you can understand why. Ah, you're fucking joking me. Yeah, a bit stickier than the rest. Okay. That could have been more satisfying, but that's fine. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's actually got built-in RGB controls there as well. Check that out. So you can hook it up so it's addressable. That's really cool. I'm actually a really big fan of this. It's going to be a bit of a shame to peel it off and chuck a water block on there, but I just can't wait to see the FPS this thing pulls. Let's get these little stickers off the fan caps here. One, that's more satisfying than the other now. Two. Three. Beautiful. Wow. All right. Plug it back in, get rid of some of the rubbish. Water card. Big thanks to EVGA for cranking these out as much as they have been. I love this thing. It's actually beautiful. Until later when the rig gets built. Have a quick look at the accessories here. So it actually comes with a retention bracket, which is a pretty cool little addition there. Installation guide. And of course, oh wow, that's really cool. New EVGA badge. That's pretty sick. I'm sure there's more, but I don't want to unbox the rest just yet. Now let's rebox it. That's that. Have a quick look at the back of the box. Sick.